This video demonstrates how to adjust the sliding door height and is part of a series of walk-in cooler door maintenance videos. For this adjustment, you will only need a crescent wrench and a 1 1/8 inch open end wrench to work on the adjuster rods at the top of the door. First, operate the door to reach the closed position and turn off the power to the door controller. Now the door is safe to work on. Check the door sweep to determine how much adjustment is necessary. The sweep should lightly touch the floor without rippling, dragging excessively, or light showing through from the inside of the cooler. If the door height needs adjustment, move to the adjuster rods on one end of the door and use the 1 1/8 inch wrench to loosen the top and bottom jam nuts on the adjuster rod. Then use the crescent wrench on the welded rod nut to adjust the door to the proper height and maintain that position while using the 1 1/8 inch wrench to tighten the jam nuts. Hint: the welded adjuster rod nut moves to the left to raise the door and moves to the right to lower the door. Move to the opposite end of the door to repeat the operation so the sweep meets the floor smoothly along its entire length. Now turn the power back on at the controller and test cycle the door through its complete operation. You have completed this adjustment if you are satisfied with the door height and the sweep following the test cycling. More technical videos are available from the Imperial Brown website or directly on the Imperial Brown YouTube channel. Leave us a comment on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter and let us know how your adjustment went or to suggest another video.